Hey there, fellow traders and investment enthusiasts. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by the countless trading indicators out there? Wondering which one could truly be your golden ticket to consistent earnings? Well, today, I've got something special for you. We're diving deep into the world of trading, focusing on one game-changing indicator, the MACD. Yes, you heard it right. But why the MACD, you might ask? Because it's simple, powerful, and, when used correctly, can be incredibly effective in helping you make informed trading decisions. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll look at the MACD in a whole new light. Let's kick things off with a brief overview of what the MACD actually is. MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. In simpler terms, it's a tool that helps us see the relationship between two moving averages of a security's price. Why is this important? Because it can indicate momentum, trend direction, and potential reversals, key aspects of making profitable trades. Now, let's break down its components. You have two lines to pay attention to, the MACD line and the signal line. The MACD line is the result of subtracting the 26-day exponential moving average from the 12-day EMA. And the signal line? Well, it's typically the 9-day EMA of the MACD line. When these lines cross, it's where the magic happens. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. How do you actually set up and read the MACD on your trading platform? First things first, add the MACD indicator to your chart. It's a standard feature on most platforms. Once up, you're looking for two key signals, the MACD line crossing above the signal line, a bullish signal, or below, a bearish signal. I want to share a personal story here. When I first started trading, I was all over the place, trying every indicator I could find. It wasn't until I focused on the MACD that I started seeing consistent results. Why? Because it made it easier to spot overall trends and momentums in the market without getting bogged down by noise. Now, let's jump into some real-life examples to see the MACD in action. Picture this. You're looking at your favorite stock, and you notice the MACD line is about to cross above the signal line. This is your heads up that bullish momentum is picking up. Conversely, if it crosses below, it's a signal that bearish momentum is on the rise. But here's a pro tip: always look for confirmation with a second indicator, like the RSI or support and resistance levels, to validate your trades. Let's talk strategy. One effective approach is to look for divergence between the MACD and the price. If the price hits a new high, but the MACD doesn't, it could indicate weakening momentum, hinting at a potential reversal. Remember, the key to success with the MACD, like any trading tool, is practice and patience. Don't expect to master it overnight. Start with a demo account. Get comfortable with spotting signals, and gradually, you'll see your trading decisions improve. Alright, folks. That wraps up our deep dive into the MACD. Simple, yet powerful, right? I hope this video illuminates how just one indicator can significantly enhance your trading strategy. But don't take my word for it. Get out there, give it a try, and see the difference for yourself. If you found value in today's video, why not give it a thumbs up, share it with your trading buddies, or drop a comment below with your thoughts or experiences with the MACD. And hey, if you haven't already, consider subscribing for more content like this. Remember, trading is a journey, and every day is an opportunity to learn and grow. Catch you in the next video, and happy trading.